Everyone, welcome back to Buddy's Life. This video we are gonna be getting that lawnmower right there, right here on this shop, this shed. My last video I got this roof kind of more fixed. The reason we wanted to get it fixed more so it didn't collapse in when my beautiful dope bike is in here and the lawnmower. That's the whole reason I tried fixing it. And so yeah, I get that lawnmower right here. So it does start, I think. It should. If it doesn't, I gotta do something. But let me go get the keys and a windshield wiper thingy. I'm back out here with a snow removal thing. I'm just gonna clean it off. So clean the snow off. Let's see if I can actually get it to turn over or not. Oh, just like that. It's ready. Needs a new seat now though, so give it a little bit of water. Choke. I gotta give it in there. This is how to do one time. Let's set the camera up somehow. Okay, so you might not hear me when I get it started, but you guys see me be able to drive it in here, so. The blades on the bottom are getting stuck in the snow, so the tires are just spinning. So this part of the video is probably gonna be the longest, but I'm gonna shuffle out the snow. I'm gonna shuffle out all the snow in front of it and try getting it out, so get back to you guys. I'm out of breath. So you can see I got the snow out. Let me set up the camera again and see if I can get it this time. My hands are literally steaming from how cold it is. it was flat. It wasn't spinning at all. Notice it's a little twisted. It's in here though. But look at this post seat. It's cracked to hell because it's been left outside, so, and it's old, so. Oh crap. Let's see how hot the exhaust is. Oh, instant. Let me find a bigger chunk of snow and try it. Like that, please. See? Ah, it broke. Ah, that's sad. And grab that piece and just. Well, that's me getting this in here, so I'm done with that. I fixed the roof today, kinda fixed it. Oh, it's so freaking cold out here, my hands are freaking steaming. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the beam's supposed to look like, whatnot, or kind of this one's a little bit. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So, I'm gonna head on inside and talk to you guys in now. Thank you for watching that video, everyone. It was a great one. I'll be back to you guys with another one shortly. Thanks for watching. Peace out.